I have the key and we're about to go for a drive in the new Audi S3. This is a 2025 Audi S3 8Y, and today I'm going to tell you all about it. This is a black edition and it's got a few optional extras. I'm going to take you around the car so that you can see what we have. But first, let's just admire the car as is. I mean, it's a beautiful piece of machinery. Right, so in the front here, you'll see that the grille has been redesigned from the previous one. And I like these little inserts here, and I think that's what makes it a black edition. And the new logo obviously has been changed. It's integrated into the bumper. Overall, the grille is just different. It's brand new, and we cannot forget the party piece of the Audi, which is the headlights. These are customizable. What you can do, you can customize it however you want. It's got 4 modes. You can play around and choose whatever style that you want. So that's the front. And I think overall, Audi is really changing how their cars look in front. It's making it more futuristic, so to say, and we're going towards that state where we've got nice cars, futuristic. In here is a 4-cylinder, 2-liter engine, and this one has been redesigned, redefined with a bigger turbo. I'll show you just now. But one thing that's quite interesting on this engine is that the cover, you know, the older cover used to be like plastic, like this one here. This is not. This is actually like soft, almost rubber material. The reason for that is that this is designed to be a fire extinguisher. In case of fire, then this thing dissolves and actually suffocates the fire in the engine, which is good technology. Well done, Audi, on that. Other than that, the engine base still looks the same. This is the normal heat blanket or heat insulation for your bonnet. Now, with the newer engine and a bigger turbo, this is what happens. The older car used to have one intercooler, but this one has two. There's an opening here for one intercooler and another opening here for another intercooler, just to make sure that you get as much cooling as possible on this engine, which is awesome. With that, Audi has done very well. The numbers, this thing is pushing 245 kilowatts of power from 213. This is crazy. The fact that they were able to push so much power out of a 4-cylinder, that's insane. Torque is about 420, which still, I mean, like, this thing is light as well. So let me just check quickly for you. 1,400 kilograms. And this is light and it's quick. It pops, it does everything. If you love an S3, an Audi, and you want to get yourself one, this is the one. This is the 8Y. This is a new generation. And I think this thing is quite, like, it's a new design. This thing has been redefined, redesigned, just for Audi lovers and Audi enthusiasts. Love it. It's quite nice. Other than that, everything else is still the same. Your battery and everything else standard. Your coolant over there, couple of lines. But this turbo over here is quite big. It's a newer turbo, bigger than the old one, which is quite nice to give you that nice power that you need. But I think overall, the front of this car looks quite nice. Right, so let's close the bonnet and then we'll move on to other parts of the car. Right, so let's look at the side profile. And I think the one thing that I realized is that the indicators, they are smaller lights than the previous ones. I think before you used to have, like, I think all are longer, but these ones are a little bit smaller. I guess also to add that classiness as well onto the mirrors. On the pricing sticker, this one has supposed to have black mirrors, but then this one has silver mirrors or chrome, polished chrome, for that sporty look. Overall, the side profile looks really nice. It's got this nice line, and I think that's one thing that I always love about Audi. They keep this nice body line that goes all the way to the front of the car. I know on some of the models within Audi, I think the A4, that line fades away, but on the S3 they still have that line, which is quite nice. I love that. And the window as well, the window trim is black, gloss black, because this is a black optics package or the black package, which is quite nice. Everything else, side skirts look exactly the same as the body. Okay, let's start with the rear wheels. 19-inch wheels standard on the S3, and these ones are covered or wrapped in Bridgestone tires, which is quite nice. The front ones, let me show you, because obviously this is a performance car and you want to make sure that you get as much cooling as possible here. And they are Audi Sport wheels, which is quite nice. And red calipers. This is, I think, by far the nicest setup of wheel caliper as well as the brake disc. I love that. The red and black goes quite nicely. Obviously, I'm sure you can get different colors depending on your taste, but I think Audi Sport, obviously, they always stick with the red calipers, which is quite nice. And I love those little details here. S3 Sportback, which is quite nice. You also get this in a sedan as well, but this one is a Sportback, which is quite cool. Audi over there. And on top here, I've got a panoramic sunroof, which is quite nice. It opens all the way to the top of the car. I love that. Keep you cool when you're driving. And this is the back of the Audi S3. And I think the one thing that stood out for me was the exhaust. The exhaust is a performance exhaust that costs 70,000 rand. Just the exhaust. But obviously it's a performance exhaust. You have to get that exhaust and you'll hear it later on. Overall, the back of the S3 looks really, really nice. Again, this badge has been now integrated into the body. And the S3, obviously, with newer cars, you'll see the badge, well, the red sticker, the S and the 3, they are not separate. Overall, everything looks quite nice. I love how these taillights look with the little arrows, obviously, for indicators and taillights. These are LEDs as well. Matrix LEDs, taillights, and headlights. It's a full package. Right, let's open the boot and see the boot space in here. So it has a kick function, right? It works. I got it first time, so it works. This is the boot space. It's a decent boot space for a hatchback. Obviously, the Audi S3. It's around, I don't have the figures, but I'll put them on the screen just now so that you can see exactly how big it is. And it's a powered tailgate or boot. Well, tailgate if you're American, but this is a boot and it's powered. You can see these massive shocks over here, which is quite nice. And then what I like also is that it's not too high over here when you're loading your stuff. It's easy, just put your stuff in. Because some nice goodies here, the umbrella and everything from Audi. There's a couple of things that I'm going to show you here. Obviously, standard 12 volts socket here we have for the Audi. And you can see this one has folding seats. Obviously, this thing comes off. If you want to remove it, you can just remove these things and then take it off. When you want to load more stuff, let me just show you. Right, so this comes down. Then we've got these 3 seats here. If you want to load, well, you need more loading space, then you can just fold these seats. They'll fold all the way forward. Then you got more loading space, can load a lot of stuff, whatever you want to put in here. Or alternatively, if you want to put things through here, you can. This seat goes forward, which is quite nice. Okay, so let's connect this back. Then I'll show you how to close the boot. Well, it's still the same way. You can kick to try and get it closed. Let's try and see if it works. Okay, it doesn't work. All right, it doesn't. Anyway, it's powered. So I've got a button here. You can just press this. Then the boot is going to close, which is quite nice. And at the back here, I've got your full parking assist system, parking sensors, and a rear view camera, which is quite nice and clear. Nice original spoiler on here from factory. It's quite nice. I love the exhaust. I love how it looks. Akrapovic. I think I've got it right. Akrapovic exhaust with the tips and everything. It looks really, really nice. That's the overall Audi S3. Let me know what you think. We'll go for a drive just now, and then we'll see or hear how it actually sounds. So the S3 comes standard with the keyless functionality. So you just pull the door while the key is in your pocket, which is quite nice. Right, in here, let's see, because I'm quite tall, if I'll sit nicely. Okay. No, it's quite nice. I can sit properly, comfortably as well, with the person sitting in front of me with their proper sitting position, which is quite cool. I love the material, the leather, the nappa leather that they use, as well as the Alcantara combination on the rear seats. This is quite nice. And I'll show you the rest of the features as well in here. Let me go to the other side. In here, we've got a couple of things, right? We've got nice vents for the aircon, and we've got 2 USB-C charging ports over here. And also we've got these nets, storage nets, for if people sitting at the back, they want to load some stuff. So this is the Alcantara that I was referring to, quite nicely stitched, different to the normal Audi pattern. So this is quite different, which is quite nice. Alcantara fine nappa leather. And in here, you have cup holders for 2 people, which is quite cool if you have you're traveling with people or kids or anybody else. Child Isofix, yes, it's here, obviously standard for rear seats. I don't know what this is, but it's some sort of hook. I don't know what it does. Oh, here's another Isofix. Interesting. Top tether. Oh, cool. This is for the front seat for this one here. This is quite interesting. Yeah, and it's got blacked out roof lining as well, which is quite cool. Nice lights here, buttons and everything. This is the rear. Yeah, like let's have a look at the front seat. So this is the front seat, where most people spend a lot of time doing the driving and enjoying the car. So the car has a lot of new technology. Obviously, you've got a screen here for all the menus and everything. And then I like the fact that there's still like actual buttons for your demisters and auto start stop, sync functionality and a whole lot of things. And your drive select also is a button here, which is quite nice. Parking sensors, the steering wheel, and also you have your charging system here, two USB-C ports, and obviously the start stop keyless functionality. And this is your volume, skip song, as well as your on and off for your radio. The nice quattro badging over here. And the dash is actually nice material and it's stitched over here. This is quite cool. That's nice. And this little carbon fiber thing here, yeah, that's quite nice. There's a dash over here, and the steering wheel is flat bottom. I like the fact that it's a round steering wheel with flat bottom, which is quite cool. Not a square steering wheel. I think most people are used to this type of steering wheel, which is quite nice. And your normal indicators, your cruise control and everything else. And I think that's mostly the dash here. And then got the storage over here, got storage here, cup holders here, 12-volt socket. And I think that's it. Then a glove box over here, standard glove box. And I think everything else, got your lights here. Hang on. Right, so this is a new technology on the headlights. So this is a touch button for headlights. So when you touch here, you'll see like the display will show you exactly what mode you're on, whether automatic or normal. Then when you press, actually changing to whichever lights that you want to show on your car, turn them on or off, which is quite cool. And then these are your front forks, rear forks, and these are actually integrated into the headlight itself, which is quite nice. It's a nice technology, and I think Audi are trying to minimize a lot of clutter to try and make things as clean as possible, which is quite cool. I love that. The multi-steering wheel, back to normal buttons, which is quite nice, and the volume, I love that. This is a sunroof mechanism. Yeah, so this is sunroof here and everything else, and this is manual though, but the sunroof is actually automated. Got SOS, if you're stuck, you need help. This is the lighting, I think interior here, and a few other things. This is quite cool. This reminds me of those, videos on the other app where someone says, "Welcome to Audi Airlines," and then they start clicking buttons here, and then it's like you actually like about to take off. This is quite cool. Again, Alcantara on the seats, quite nice. Electric seats. The seats also have lumbar support, which is quite cool. I love that. And they also memory seats. So we've got two options. Memory seat 1, memory seat 2. You can, if like for example, two of you are driving the car, you can decide who's going to be on 1, who's going to be on 2, which is quite cool. And the S3 over here, but it's only on the front of the car on this one, but you can customize it if you want it for the back, for the rear doors as well. Sound system, Sonos, specifically for the A3 S3, comes standard on this car, and this is almost as similar, as the Bang & Olufsen, but this is specific to Audi at the A3 class and the S3. And I think that's it. That sounds nice. So what I'll do, we'll go for a drive now, and then we'll hear how it sounds under load. But as is right now, it sounds really, really nice. There are the indicators. Yeah, this car looks really, really, really nice. Well designed, well redefined. It's a proper new car. I really love how it looks. With all the doors open, it looks really, really nice. Love it. Love the performance exhaust. And I think it makes sense for a performance car to have a performance exhaust. Other than that, it really, really, really doesn't make sense. Sounds awesome. Okay. Nah, but it sounds cool. Yeah, that sounds proper. Normal dynamic. Okay. That's quite nice. Yeah, I know. It really pulls. It pulls.